everyone, what I want to introduce to you today is the related questions of our kids walkie-talkie, RT388. The RT388 is a popular product among kids walkie-talkie. It is very simple and convenient. It can be used for outdoor camping, adventures, and various indoor or outdoor activities. It is an idol, festival, or birthday gift. Next, let me introduce to you the more questions that everyone has at present. RT388 Kids Walkie-talkie has 8 channels and 99 CTC-SS DCIs, with different agreements and combinations to make it very safe, which greatly avoid the possibility of hearing stranger speeches. And you can use it with confidence. You can press the menu key twice to make adjustment. Of course, you only need to set the same channel and CTC-SS DCIs for them, and then you can make a call directly. Yes, the RT388 Kids Walkie-talkie has the voice function, which means you can talk directly without pressing the PDT button. Operation method: press the menu button 3 times. The screen will display voice, and you can adjust it. The sensitive has 1 to 3 levels. You can speak directly into the microphone without pressing the talk button. Once the walkie-talkie detects your voice, it will automatically transfer. The communication range will be affected by many factors, such as output power, terrain, how many obstacles, and so on. The output power of RT388 Kids Walkie-talkie is only 0.5 watts. The urban communication distance is about 200 or 800 meters, and the suburban has seaside values about 1,000 meters. Yes, it can be adjusted by pressing the up and down keys in standby mode. The above is the answer to today's questions. If you have any questions about walkie-talkies, you can leave a message directly in the comment area. We will reply in time. See you in the next issue.